Hi, my name is Samantha and welcome to today's video. Today is going to be attempt number 2 at making a dress based off of something I already have in my wardrobe. Let's get into it. If you haven't already watched the first video, which was the dress for the Barbie movie, go ahead and check that out. I'll have it in the description box down below. That dress did not work on the first attempt. I do have a wearable dress now, so that's great. But I want to do this based off of, so the other dress was based off of a t-shirt. This is an actual dress, and then I have a stretchy knit fabric, so I'm hoping that this helps the problem. I also watched some tutorials this morning, so hopefully that'll help as well. And I saw that like they had a way to put a neckband in, so I think that'll make it look nicer too. This dress here has like this eyelet or whatever you call this part. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to do a curve right here. But the sleeves and everything, I want to base it off of this dress. This dress is actually 2 pieces, the top and the bottom, but I'm going to just do it as 1 piece and we'll see how it goes. So the first thing I need to do is take this, fold it in half and make a pattern piece. And the girl in the video, I'll have her video down below, she actually did it on a piece of wrapping paper. So I gotta go get some wrapping paper and make my pattern piece. If this doesn't work out, I went through my stash and tried to find 3 of the simplest dress patterns that I have, so we can try that if this doesn't work out, or even if this works out, we can make it. Let me know which one interests you guys the most and which one I should make. The first option is this new look pattern. The only thing I'm concerned about is it does look like it's a couple different pieces. I don't know if you can see, but I don't know if those are darts or if those are separate pieces. This one seems pretty easy. It's actually a maternity piece, so that means it'll be like nice and flowy, which I think will make it even easier to make. And it seems it's just the top and the bottom and some pockets, so it seems really easy to make. And then this would be the last one. This is made with like party gown fabric, but I would just make it with regular fabric. So I don't know. I'm kind of leaning towards this one because I don't think that this would use a zipper. Let's see here, thread and 2 number 1 buttons. This one, a 22-inch invisible zipper, thread and 1 16-inch zipper, or 1 2-inch button or a 2-inch length of elastic. So I don't know. Or sorry, 1 button and a 2-inch piece of elastic. And where I'm reading this is at the bottom here, it tells you the requirements. So like I said, I'm leaning more towards this one because it seems the most foolproof. It's got the most wiggle room, but let me know what you guys think in the comments down below and I will take your suggestions. But that being said, let me get my pattern piece written up or cut out, whatever the right word is, and then we'll start cutting the fabric. Looking at this, I don't think this is gonna work because I was just tracing around this, and if this is supposed to be on the fold, like I'm not gonna get the full skirt effect. So I think I'm just gonna actually lay it out flat and just trace a front piece and a back piece. I don't know, we're gonna try it. Okay, this is what I'm going to trace instead, and I still can't get the full skirt because my piece is only this big, but I'm gonna go get a different color Sharpie and trace it. I'm gonna trace it just based on the back, and then the front just needs to be a little deeper of a curve. I am definitely not a skilled tracer, and the planks and the wood was messing up my line, but I mean, that's pretty solid. That's a dress. So let's cut this out and then we'll cut the fabric. Here's how it's looking. I suck at cutting and tracing, and I do not know how this is gonna turn out. My next thing is I'm gonna fold it in half and like make sure that both sides match before we cut out the fabric. I am already really annoyed with this wrapping paper. It cut, like ripped in multiple spots. So yeah, this is frustrating. Okay, I feel really stupid. If this is a straight line, I can just cut it on this straight line. Okay, I'm still gonna trim it to be the same size so that one side can be the front and one side can be the back, but yeah, this was dumb. Okay, let's try cutting out fabric. That's the back, that's the front. We're gonna fold the fabric and cut it on the front piece and the back piece. Okay, I think that's a pretty solid job. Time to do the other side. Here's the front piece cut out. This is looking much better. Now let's attach it at the shoulders and along the sides. I tell you what, this is very discouraging how much this does not match up, because I'm trying my best here, people, and I feel like I am so terrible at this. But practice makes better, right? So I'm trying. Let's go ahead and sew the sides and the shoulders and try it on. I did trim up those weird pieces on the side, so now I'm gonna sew it. We have what looks like a dress. It's not perfect by any means. You can see here, this one spot right here didn't even catch, but that's okay. We can still try it on, see if it even works. I did a zigzag stitch to help keep the stretchiness. So let's give it a shot, try it out. If it's too tight, I don't know what we're gonna do. These projects are honestly frustrating me. Oh my gosh, it feels so tight. I don't think this is gonna work. Yep, it's terrible. Okay, I don't know. We gotta seam rip it and try again. I don't know what I am doing that is just like so absolutely terribly wrong with these projects. Like, it is not working at all, and it's really frustrating, and I'm trying my best and it is just not working. And I guess I just need to follow an actual already made pattern. I guess I cannot just trace something that already fits me, but that makes absolutely no sense to me, because if a item of clothing fits me, then why can't I trace it and make another article of clothing that fits me? I can't comprehend. I do not understand. So if you know why this is happening, please let me know in the comments down below, because I can't comprehend. I don't know. Did I not add enough seam allowance? Like, should I have added more seam allowance? I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Okay, I have a 3-inch strip and a 2-inch strip. I'm going to add one to each side, and we'll see if that adds enough. If 2 is enough, then we'll cut some off of this. If 3 is enough, then we'll add another inch. I don't know, we're just trying. Okay, let's try this again. So I went ahead and added on one side the 3-inch extra fabric, and on the other side 2 inches. We'll see. Let's try it on. This is the back. Okay, it feels a little looser. All right. That's so much better. It's a very unflattering fabric though. Oh my goodness. Okay, but that is much better. I think it could have done with 3 on both sides, but I am really done with this project, to be honest with you. It's very disappointing, and I mean, it's still a wearable dress. I'm gonna go ahead and not seam rip. I'm going to serge all the, or actually this is like, I don't even know if this would fray, but I'm gonna serge all the edges that are raw, and then hem up the bottom as well as the sleeves. And then we also are gonna add a neckband, so I need to cut that fabric. For the neckband here, I just have a piece of fabric that's 2 inches wide, and I have sewn it together on both sides and marked the 4 points, and it is folded in half. So then I'm going to take my neckline and at the 4 points match these up, sew it around, and I'm using a basting stitch just to make sure I do it right. Try it on, see how it looks, and then go from there. Even pinning it, I can tell you it's way too big, so I'm gonna cut off, I don't know, like 2 inches or something, and then try again. At this point, I still haven't even serged anything. I'm still working on the, what did I call it? The neckband. This is the second attempt. The first attempt was absolutely horrible. I didn't even show you guys. So what I did is, it was too loose, the neckband. So instead of making the neckband smaller, I actually cut the neck hole bigger because I felt like it was too tight anyways, like too high up. So let's try it on again. Hopefully this time is better. Let's try it. Okay, well, it's better going on now. Oh, lovely. It's still like super loose. Okay. Is there a hole? Oh, lovely. I am so done with this project. I can't even tell you, people. Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm trying so hard here, and it is just so frustrating. Okay. I guess I have to take off the neckband again. I don't understand. Like, it was even like too, I don't understand how it's still loose, because like when I put it on, like there was parts on here that were too tight for it. So I don't understand what it is that I'm doing wrong. Like, I watched so many videos, I comprehend how to put it together. I do not understand what it is that I'm doing that is so wrong that this is like not working. I don't know. I don't get it. So I think I'm just going to serge the raw edges and, you know, hem the arms and the bottom and just be done. Like, I can wear it around the house. Like, it's not a big deal. Like, it's a functional wearable dress. It's just not how I wanted it to be, and this pattern is really weird. And I just realized that, like, I didn't even go in the same direction when I put the extra fabric in. So yeah, I don't know what else to do, but let me just finish it off so it's a done product. Alrighty, we have a finished product here. I have hemmed the armholes and the bottom and serged all of the exposed seams. So this project, I'm definitely very disappointed in myself, and this is not how I wanted it to turn out. I really tried hard, you know, every step along the way, and it just did not work out the way I wanted it to. I am proud of myself for finishing this, and even though I'm embarrassed of how this turned out, you know, like, these armholes look terrible. I hope it still fits me and that's not too tight. But I'm still gonna post this because I do want you guys to see that I'm not perfect. Nobody's perfect. People make mistakes. You know, you try something new and it doesn't always work out, but that doesn't mean you shouldn't try it again and try to accomplish the goal. But this is definitely my biggest fail of 2023. I think the Barbie dress turned out better because it was like 2 separate pieces. But yeah, let me try it on for you, give you a final look. But we will not be doing this pattern again. If we do a dress again, we will do a dress again, but it will be from a pattern that's already been made. Here is the final dress. I think, like, one of the patterns I watched today, it had darts, so I think that would definitely help. This fabric is definitely not flattering by any means, but I have a completed dress. I can wear it at home. It is still functional. It will just never see the light of day. It's never gonna leave this house. But let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.